GAC Group's first technology aesthetic pickup concept model was introduced at the Shanghai Auto Show. The new product is positioned as an all-purpose pickup truck, reinterpreting the value boundaries of pickup trucks with comprehensive breakthroughs from aesthetic design to scene compatibility to intelligent technology. GAC Group's first technological and aesthetic pickup concept car, GAC Pickup 01, made its world premiere at the Shanghai Auto Show. Unlike traditional pickup trucks that prioritize practicality first, GAC Pickup 01 is positioned as an all-purpose pickup truck. It has reinterpreted the value boundaries of pickup trucks by making comprehensive breakthroughs in aesthetic design, scene compatibility, and intelligent technology. In terms of global technological aesthetics, the exterior design of GAC Pickup 01 adopts a meticulously crafted facet shape, breaking through the rigid style of traditional pickup trucks. With the combination of sharp lines and full surfaces, it presents a visual language where power and technology are combined. The long and balanced body proportions not only enhance the vehicle's practicality in outdoor scenes, but also give the vehicle a measured and solid high-end temperament that meets the dual aesthetic needs of urban and natural scenes. In terms of global adaptability, GAC has built the GAC Adaptive Intelligent Architecture, intelligent adaptive platform based on a non-load-bearing architecture. The platform can flexibly cope with complex environments such as urban roads, off-road conditions, and freight transportation by dynamically adjusting the suspension system, power output, and driving mode. In addition, GAC Pickup 01 is equipped with GAC's self-developed Star Spirit safety protection system, which can provide reliable protection in all kinds of travel scenarios. In terms of full-field intelligence, the pickup is equipped with a high-end automatic driving assistance system that supports special scenario modes such as intelligent towing and narrow road driving, fully considering the convenience of usage scenarios. The interior features passenger-class comfort configurations such as a dual-driver smart cabin and NVH, noise and vibration improvements, elevating the vehicle functionality to a mobile living space. Although China's pickup truck policies have not yet been fully relaxed, it appears that GAC Lingqing is taking the lead in focusing on overseas markets. Based on in-depth research on the global market, GAC Pickup 01 will initially focus on 4 major markets: Australia, Saudi Arabia, Chile, and Mexico.